Misty has so many possible applications for the home and office. Right out of the box, Misty can collect data, detect faces and interact with people, report back information of what is happening all around her, and generate maps of her environment. Programming a new skill for the robot with JavaScript in the Misty platform is actually really straightforward. In this skill, I was hoping to explore what might be considered an autonomous behavior with a robot. She can drive around a house or an office, avoid obstacles, and even respond to touch. Here, I used her camera to run face detection and respond when she detects a known face. When she doesn't know someone, I programmed her to get scared. Cap Touch is also active, so she can respond to touch on her head and chin. In this skill, I programmed her to change her emotion based upon the sensor that is touched. This platform makes it really easy to collect information and send it to external third-party APIs, which opens up a ton of possibilities.